If they're nailed down properly and everything is sealed, you should be fine. You should make it through that storm without any major blow-offs or catastrophes.
Think your roof is ready for the next big storm? Let's climb up and take a better look.
We call this area a storm collar.
An inspection is the only way to know what shape your roof is in.
Let me show you all the debris right here. So I know water's getting underneath here and these shingles aren't sealed down.
Ridges commonly have exposed nails.
So you can see the rusty nail. These are potential leak issues.
Other problems are more obvious.
This particular ridge, the shingle is totally cracked because of the sharp angle.
Lead jacks cover vent pipes. Squirrels love to gnaw on them.
This used to be about this big. Now it's all the way up to here. The opening to your attic is right here where my finger is. So any wind-driven rain that gets underneath here can find its way into the pipe.
Rough around the edges doesn't always spell trouble.
Look here at this flashing. Yes, it looks old, but it does look like it's intact. I don't see any gaps in the sealant.
Not the same for the flashing on the front of this chimney.
You can see this is just now starting to lift up. I can stick my finger underneath here.
Gutters and valleys need to be debris-free.
What happens with the debris? It slows the water down, and when it slows the water down, the water starts going sideways and can get underneath your shingles.
Having shady tree limbs over the roof is okay, but not when they are touching.
I've seen a couple of jobs where it actually wore a hole through the shingle and through the decking, and they had a hole in the roof because of a limb.
A long-lasting roof is only as good as its weakest shingle.
If you've had a roof and you haven't done anything to it in 3 to 5 years, you need to give us a call. You need roof maintenance.
Hurricane season can easily make big problems out of little ones. That's why I recommend having your roof inspected regularly by a qualified roofer, like the certified Home Show pros at Ideal Roofing. For HomeShowRadio.com, I'm Tom Tynan.